So the same thing. We're on 4K XAVC-I, 30 frames per second. But I turned the high sensitivity mode on. So this is high sensitivity mode, and this is high sensitivity mode off. It's nearly a stop, so we'll put it in full auto, and we're at 2.80 1/30th, and we'll put high sensitivity on, and the iris drops to 3.7 at a 30th with 0 dB. So I mean, it's quite sensitive. If we were to go in manual mode, we're in manual mode, 6 tip a second, 6 dB right now. So let's just come over and let's bring the iris back to 2.8. So if we put the aperture at 2.8, and we're in high sensitivity, we could bring the gain basically down to -3 dB on these cameras in this environment. And we'll flip the light off. The light is off. We'll crank the gain all the way up to 18 with high sensitivity mode. And that's where you start seeing noise, is in high sensitivity mode. So you can see that the gain is up. If I ever take high sensitivity off, the noise is there, but it's really not that visible. So I'll go in the setting here, and let's find the paint menu and put the noise suppression on. So we'll put the noise suppression on, so we're on high, and you really can't see the noise, at least not in the viewfinder. You might be able to see it on the on a computer. So high sensitivity is off, so I'm going to kick high sensitivity on. Oops, that didn't go on. So high sensitivity on, 18 dB, high noise reduction, and you don't really need that much. But if you did, I mean, this is dark. It's pretty dark, and this is what it looks like in the room right now. We're at 6 dB. This is basically what it would look like. 9 dB is what it looks to my eyes, basically. And that's at 18 again. So. But, you know, in these cameras, you could take high sensitivity off. And of course, these cameras do pixel binning, so when you're in HD, you get like 2 stops brighter or a stop and a half brighter than in 4K. Yeah. And here we're at a 60th of a second, so if we go and drop the shutter speed down to a 30th, you know, you pretty much can see like in the dark. There's no high sensitivity is off. We're at 18 dB, a 30th of a second, 2.8. You could, you know, see something at 15 dB, you know, and so again, I will take the noise reduction off. Or better yet, I'll go to medium. So we're on medium now, which is where it comes from the factory, and then we'll shut it off. The noise reduction is off. 15 dB, 2.8, 30th of a second at 29.9, XAVC-I, ITU 709, no high sensitivity. High sensitivity is shut off.